Number 3. Find the coefficients. Find the coefficients of p square, pq, and q square in the expansion of 5p minus 6q into bracket 3p plus 11q. Now we want to find the coefficient of p square, q square, and pq in this expansion. Solution. We have 5p minus 6q into bracket 3p plus 11q. Now, what do we do? In this case, we have 5p here. 5p. That is the first term in the first binomial expression. So, we say 5p into bracket what we have here, which is 3p plus 11q. Then, the second term in the first binomial expression, also we use that to multiply everything here. Minus 6q multiplied by 3p plus 11q. Now, what do? We use 5p to multiply this. 5 times 3, 15. P times p, p squared. Now we use that same 5p to multiply 11q. 5 times 11, that is 55. P times q, pq. Now, we move to this next one. We use minus 6q to multiply 3p. Minus 6 times 3, that's minus 18. P times q, pq. Then, we use that same minus 6q to multiply 11q. Minus 6 times 11, what do we have? Minus 66. Q times q, what do we have? Q squared. Now, we simplify further. The middle term. Now, 55 minus 18. 55 minus 18, we are going to have 37. 37. So here 55pq minus 18pq will give us 37pq. We have 37pq, then minus 66q squared. Now, let's go back to the question. Find the coefficient of p squared, pq, and q squared in the expansion. Now, let's look for the coefficient of p squared. The coefficient of p squared equals to what? Now, the coefficient of p squared is the number in front of p squared. What is that? 15. We also need to find coefficient of pq. The coefficient of pq is the number in front of pq. What is the number in front of pq? 37. And now, we also need to find coefficient of q squared. The coefficient the coefficient of q squared. That is a number in front of q squared. And what is that? Minus 66. That is the solution to the problem.